Welcome. In front of me is a HTC Desire 20 Pro, and today I will show you how to boot the device into fastboot mode. Now before we get started, we will need a cable that we use for charging, and you want to plug it into your computer and have it ready on the side. Once you have that ready, simply hold the power key, select power off, wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, you want to hold volume up, and while holding volume up, plug in the cable. And after that, it should be located in the recovery mode, so you can unplug it. So in here, I'm using volume keys, select the third option, which is enter fastboot, and then press power key to confirm it, and as you can see, we're now in fastboot mode. Now from here, you can also reboot the device, which will go back to Android, simply power it off, or reboot to bootloader, or back to recovery mode. Now you navigate through this menu the same way you did in the previous one, using volume keys, and confirm whatever is selected with power key. Now because I want to leave this mode, I'm going to select reboot system now, press power key, and it will now go back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.